Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive, and good morning, howdy from Vietnam. And we're going to be talking about something big is going to be happening in 48 hours out there. We're going to also recap what happened yesterday with all the Debbie Downers with the Iran-Israel thing. So let's get into it without any further delay, guys. Great time to be alive, and yeah. We're seeing that most of the crypto markets are recovering right now, so that is good news. Things are starting to move up, so it seems that the whole conflict has kind of come to an end, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, show some love out there, and remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. Love is much appreciated. Go down there and give us super thanks, and if you got any Dogecoin dust you want to send our way, I appreciate that. The link is down there to the Dogecoin Tip Jar. So basically, it looks like more than 300 of the drones coming in from Iran were shot down. That is good. Because of that, the pre-markets have flipped positive. So hopefully we're going to have a positive day when the Dow opens, guys. So in 48 hours, we've got some really good news for crypto. So that is going to be very good news. Overall, we're seeing that the total market cap is up 4.28%. We're at 2.36 trillion. So that is good news. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum is up. BNB is up. Solana is up, but for the week, Solana is not looking good as well. So hopefully, I'm hoping in the next 48 hours when we have this huge big announcement that we're going to cover in a second, that we'll see most of the markets flip green on the weekly. So hopefully we'll get some recovery. But overall, not too bad. Now, Bitcoin is still above 65,000, even though we've had the end of the world scenario almost. We're still looking pretty good. The bad news is it looks like the ton coin, just flipped Doge to take the 8th spot. So that's why we need you, the Doge army, to get up, giddy on up. We're seeing the ton coin is up almost 17%. Dogecoin is up 7% almost, and we're back above 16 cents. But we still got a lot of struggle ahead, a lot of climb ahead. Some people are saying $2.17 Dogecoin coming up as well. We're going to be touching that as well as the article that just came out. It looks like ADAs get beaten up, Avalanche. Shiba Inu is also up. So everything is up pretty good. So your portfolio should have recovered from most of the losses out there. DXY is coming down a touch. Overall, if we take a look at a heat map for crypto right now, it's looking good, guys. Looking good. Everything's up on the daily, on the hourly. It's looking not as good on the hourly, but on the daily, it's looking good. On the 7-day, it's looking bad, and also looking good. Sorry. And then on the monthly, things are looking okay for the most part. So, but in the last 24 hours, we're seeing that things are moving up. So that is good news out there. If we look at the crypto bubbles, things are going okay. Things are pretty much positive. Beam is up. CHZ is up. Neo is up. Where's my Doge? Let's find our Doge. There's a Doge. Floki's up. Doge is up right now. So far, year to date, we're still up 74%. Weekly, monthly, we're down. We got slaughtered, right, because of all this Debbie Downness out there. So hopefully we will recover. Fear and greed right now. Let's give this a minty refresh. See where we are with 72 yesterday, 74. Surprising. The world's coming to an end, and we're still positive, still quite greedy out there. As I said, Dogecoin is at 16 cents right now. That is not too shabby. We're up almost 6.72%. So hopefully we can recover some of our gains out there, because a week ago we were around about 20 cents. So we need to recover and get ourselves back up to 20 cents. That's what we need to do. Yesterday we did see that there was a lot of wreckage all that long. Basically, the wreckage right now is pretty much even between longs and shorts, but we are seeing more shorts getting wrecked as well because the price did go up. So that's what we're seeing. Overall, the returns for today, the crypto returns, basically we're still down 8% Q2. Q2 for Ethereum down 13%, but we will recover. If you take a look at the Bitcoin price right now, as I said, we're probably going to be trading in this line here. So it's respecting our line. I think we're slowly going to go up. We got some pretty healthy resistance at 69,000. We will recover. Let's see the next 48 hours, big announcement coming out of Hong Kong. So hopefully that will definitely stir up the fires and get Bitcoin going before the halving. Ethereum is also looking pretty good as well. Coming up, we've got our next resistance around about 3,200. We will definitely get up there, guys. We're seeing that the amount of Bitcoin is still leaving exchanges like crazy out there. We're seeing more outflow, so that is pretty positive. Pretty positive. Guys, get ready for launch in 48 hours. 24 to 40 hours, we could see this Hong Kong is set to greenlight Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs by Monday or Tuesday, according to Bloomberg. And this is pretty good. Right? The reason this is so important is because it's going to allow the Chinese to basically diversify and invest in something other than currency, gold, and property, because we all know that property in Hong Kong in China is basically falling apart. We had the Evergrande collapse out there, so this is pretty good. This is gonna fuel a lot of liquidity coming in to the Bitcoin market, and this will help one thing, create more supply shock, which is going to drive up the prices. So that is going to be pretty good. And if we have Bitcoin going up, it's going to affect Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and all the other meme coins as well will start to go up. So far so good. Hong Kong seen approving Bitcoin ETFs soon as Monday, so that is pretty good. First Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are launching in Hong Kong as early as tomorrow. Bitcoin is only down 8K from its previous all-time high, so it's holding very strong. That's what I think. Don't underestimate the power of the ETFs, guys. This is going to be a giga bullish event, according to Ash Crypto. I agree. This is huge, guys. This is freaking huge for crypto out there, guys. Did you guys know, just a fun fact, that price inflation for every fast food restaurant in the U.S. has far exceeded CPI? Did you guys know that the prices at McDonald's have doubled since 2014, while the official inflation data shows just 31% inflation? Prices at Popeyes, Taco Bell's, Chipotle have risen 86, 81, and 75%. So traditionally, I think that's just funny. Traditionally, fast food was considered to be a cheap food option. Now, feeding a family for one meal at a fast food restaurant costs more than $50 in many cases. What the heck is going on out there? It's insane, right? So fast food is now expensive food. OMG. Luckily, here in Asia, fast food is still pretty cheap out there. So good news overall. Bitcoin has successfully tested the lower support line, even though we had this end of the world coming. We did see that Bitcoin on the daily did support this line here. We did bounce up from it. We did go down below. That was just kind of a black swan scare event. We did pop up. So it looks like it has successfully tested lower support line with bullish pennant. In other words, the bullish pennant in Bitcoin daily chart is intact, and we are bullish overall, guys. So that's pretty lovely jubbly, guys. Lovely jubbly. Guys, we've got 4 days of the halving. Let's see what other shenanigans are going to unveil, guys. 48 hours, we're going to get the Bitcoin ETF, and that should be pretty good, guys. So we've seen that, in the past, we've seen Bitcoin retrace 20%, 20%, 20%, 22%. So far, we've only seen Bitcoin retrace 15%. So we're still above the averages for retracements before the halving and the parabolic pump, guys. So that's why I think this is going to be a super cycle, and why I think things are looking lovely and much better than normal, guys. Like I said, Hong Kong to green light the ETFs, guys. We're seeing meme coin market cap is up 8.8%. Dogecoin is still leading the pack, followed by Shiba Inu out there, which is good news out there. Good news. Lots of news happening for meme coins, kind of back in the fray right now. That is good news. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is respecting this channel. I did say that we're probably going to go up, go down. We are past the right now. Let's see, where are we on? We're past the 45-day EMA ribbon. Let's just take that off. So that's pretty good. We're still outside the Bollinger Band, so that squeeze is not on. I predict that Dogecoin is probably just going to take this. Probably going to go up, form a local high here, go to 17. Probably will drop back down to 16. Form another higher high at 1767, go down to 1700, and then hopefully finally we'll break past the 18-cent level. So I'm thinking that around about May, end of April, we should get ourselves back above 20 cents. That's what I'm thinking. 20 cents by the end of April. So that's pretty good. I did buy some Dogecoin yesterday at 15.5. So I'm kind of in the money right now, so that's pretty good. We're seeing that despite the debacle, despite the end of the world that didn't happen, we're seeing 82% of all the big Dogecoin holders are in the money. Now, let's take a look at the Shiba Weebies. How many of the Shiba Weebies, get out of there, how many of the Shiba Weebies are in the money right now? Let's see, Shiba Weebie, let's see, and then we're jumping the Shiba Weebie price out there. So 59% of all Shibis are in the money, so not too shabby out there. Looks like Dogecoin is set to rise. The latest forecast sets a target of $2.17, so interesting. So it looks like a trader Tardigrade, he talked about this bull flag pattern, which is still intact. I believe it's still freaking intact, guys. This bull flag pattern is still intact out there. We can kind of elongate it here. But I still think that we're intact, so we can kind of extend this. Yeah, we're still kind of intact, I think. As long as we stay in this area, I think the bull flag is intact. That's what I'm thinking. So, yeah, let's see. Where is this anticipated time frame movement? Let's see what's going on. Whales transfer. We talked about 324 million Dogecoin got transferred, so that is pretty good. Amid a lot of whale activity, a lot of people are still saying that we could see a super cycle for Dogecoin and see Dogecoin go up to $2.17. So that's kind of interesting. Despite the negativity, I still think that Dogecoin could go up beyond $1 and more, guys. Should you buy Dogecoin while it's below $25? Hell yeah. I think there's a good technical support, good technical scenario for Dogecoin. Will definitely be going over 25 cents soon. And let's take a look at the Shiba Weebie right now. So Shiba Weebie is trading at 22.26. It's got some support around this area here. The next support level, as you can see, is 21.22, and we're seeing that technically looks like Shiba Weebie is probably going to do something like that, and probably it's going to take a while to get into play. We're still well below all the EMA ribbons, so that is not good out there. Flying Shiba Inu will surge 7,000% as MEXC listing to propel Fly SHIB challenged Doge. So it looks like Shiba Inu is going to get a new listing, and some people are predicting a 7,000% increase. So that is kind of interesting, guys. Let's see what happens with that. Yeah, I'm hopeful. Guys, did you know that the Dogecoin is trending right now on Twitter? Over 26,000 posts, so that is pretty good out there. So a lot of Shiba Weebie related stuff out there, guys. So go to my Twitter. Don't forget to follow out there. It looks like Dogecoin co-founder responds to a recent crypto market crash and basically said, just landed after 11-hour flight. Did we die? No. Guys, keep in mind, a lot of the crypto guys are going to Dubai for the 2049 crypto fair in Dubai. Wish I was there. Out there, guys. I want to play this. This is hilarious. I was on a walk yesterday with the fam, and I thought this was hilarious. Listen to this. Hey everyone, this is the dumbest parking sign I've ever seen in my whole life. This parking sign is on the sidewalk. You can see it's on the freaking sidewalk, and if you're driving a car, look. Hello, dumb, dee dumb. Look at that. I think this is just hilarious. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Let's see if we can find. Yeah, it's just, I just saw this. I was walking last night, and they have this car parking sign. But the car parking sign is actually facing the sidewalk, so if you drive past, you can't see it. Dumb. Only in Vietnam. I love it. You love it. Guys, which coin do you prefer? Dogecoin, Shiba Inu? Comment, guys. I'd love to hear what you comment. Guys, don't forget to get your crypto off centralized exchanges. Get it on a NANO Leger out there, guys. I only hold this. That's Dogecoin. Dogecoin for life, guys. Dogecoin forever, guys. Go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. We got 14,000 followers. I appreciate all the support, guys. I'm off to the grind. Much love. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.